Hello friends, in today's episode of Plants and Life YouTube channel, I am going to show you the simple methods to make your Adenium Caudex more thicker and bigger. But before that, please consider subscribing as interesting videos are keep coming. So while growing Adenium, along with fertilizers, we need to provide proper environment to make it healthy. I have discussed about its requirements of potting media and fertilizer in a video to get more flowers and good health. You can check out that from the link in the description. So watch this video till end and you will see how the Caudex of Adenium grow bigger and bigger. So first, you need to grow your Adenium over a plastic sheet. You can use a plastic sheet like this. I have used a carbon block here. The purpose of using this sheet is to spread the roots over it. When the roots of Adenium can't go down due to this sheet, it will spread over the sheet, and when the roots get matured, it will become Caudex and we will have a big wider Caudex. And the next very important thing is to do repotting in every year, and the secret of having wider Caudex is here. So what we have to do is just raise the plant 1 inch above the soil level during every repotting. This will help to form wider Caudex actually. So next, the most important thing to grow a wider Caudex is pruning. We know that Adenium is a succulent and it stores most of its water or nutrients in its Caudex. So if we do pruning of stems and leaves, then Adenium don't have leaves to do photosynthesis for some days until it generates new leaves. So during this time it will use all its energy to enlarge the size of the Caudex. So this is the main trick. So to get a wide and big Caudex in Adenium, mainly what we have to do is pruning and repotting the plant in every year. And we will have a beautiful Adenium with wide and bigger Caudex for surely. So that's all for today. See you guys in the next episode. Until then, stay safe and keep supporting. Thank you.